Yeah, hey, what is up, everybody?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
This is what we brought from Hot Wheels Legends Tour, man. Take a look. We both had a... Take a look, man. A blue bird.
Some light on that.
This thing is green. This thing looks awesome with those tires, those wheels. That's crazy. The lip.
Yeah, I like the green.
Very nice piece.
There's a green paint on it.
Yeah. This thing is great. And
the card's different too. Look.
yeah, this card is different. It's from a 2018 collector's edition. Like what you see. You can find high quality die-cast Hot Wheels collector items with even more premium features. Blah blah blah. But take a look, man. This thing is super nice.
Yeah.
Very nice, man. We are fortunate to have.
And then what I like about it is it comes in one of these that has a Hot Wheel print. Because originally, if you buy these like on eBay, they don't come with the Hot Wheel print. It'll say like Plastic Company or something.
Yeah. But yeah, man, we're glad we each got one, so that's cool. You guys know we're always looking out for each other. And take a look.
I like how I didn't notice the card was different though until late.
Yeah, and then we did the spin, buy $20
yeah, man.
worth of purchases, Hot Wheels purchases, and you get a lucky spin.
Yeah, so you have to buy $20 in merchandise, and then you do a lucky spin, and this is what I got on my spin, $20.
Yeah, this one was mine, man. I was lucky because mine was like right in between whether a Larry Woods or a Samac. So he was cool enough to say, hey, which one do you like? Or which one would you like? And I said, hey, man, I'll take the Samac, but I landed on both, so I should get both. You know what I'm saying? I kind of wanted to play smart, but yeah, this pretty much says the same thing. And I think I stopped where it says, this website is your source for information on new vehicle releases, forums, blah,
yeah,
blah,
some
blah.
people were asking in the comments, what's a good website to go to?
Yeah, but anyway, man, this guy also bought a Hot Wheels Legends Tour sticker.
Yeah, $4 for that.
$4. I bought the hat, which I think is very cool.
The hat is cool, man.
Cool hat.
I just wish they would have made it in black instead of gray.
Gray is nice, man. Gray is cool. So, at the event, man, we came across Clark. He was looking for us, man. He was looking for us because he said on the live stream, he commented, come outside, but we didn't have a chance to read any of the comments or...
Yeah, we were too busy looking everywhere at the event.
And people's feet. But yeah, man. So let's see. This is a random act of kindness.
Yeah, man. Hopefully there's no anthrax in here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see what all goodies are gonna be in here, man.
Yeah. And it's smart to bring one of these when you go hunting, because you can cut open boxes real quick. So if you guys want to check these out, you can get these on Amazon or eBay.
Well, let's take a look.
But yeah, let's see what's inside, man.
Man,
we haven't look, we haven't even opened it, man. So it's just so people see it had the sticker, and then it's got tape. So we haven't opened it yet. I mean, those marks aren't ours. But we wanted to show you guys the same time that we're making it right now is the same time we're opening it.
Yeah.
So we got some bubble tape. That collector's edition bubble tape. Oh, okay. So let's start with this, man.
Take a look. This is a Ferrari. So yeah, you can tell this guy is a frequent subscriber. He knows we like exotics like Ferraris.
Oh, that's right. Oh, he has been watching our stuff.
Yeah, I think this is the Testarossa, or...
I'm gonna say he's gonna put a few bugs in there, man.
This guy. Now that would be a cool prank, but
no, like some Volkswagen, but
Ferrari. I don't know, cause all I remember was David Rackley. He was looking for a Testarossa, but I don't know if this is the one. Testarossa.
So David, if you're watching,
yeah, let us know, man. Is this a Testarossa you're looking for?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take a look. Hot Wheels. Damn, this thing is pretty wild. That thing
looks like a muscle car in the back.
Yeah, this thing looks like you be playing rock and roll, or even heavy metal, man. If you hop in this car, nothing but heavy metal. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what else. Oh damn! This is a Miata.
I bet that's from like a blue card from a while back.
Probably. Yeah, this thing is nice.
Yeah, and we met him right by where the Porsche GT RS or whatever it's called. That was a cool car, man.
Yeah. Damn, I like this two-tone, man, with the green interior. I don't think I ever seen the green interior. Very nice.
So far, so good, Clark. Thank you, man.
Yeah. Damn, take a look. This is the Panos or GTR1. We have come across a few of these. We might even have it carded. I don't even remember. Maybe.
I think we got two loose.
Loose, huh?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I remember, but I don't know. Maybe we have one carded.
So we're gonna add this to the loose collection bin.
Yeah, I think this is either Exotic or Muscle Tone. This thing is. Oh, neither. Rapid Transit. Yeah, look at that. Yellow interior, left-hand drive.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know what it says over here.
It's like graffiti, but I like the red paint like that, man. That's pretty cool.
Sparkly, yeah. And take a look. This is the same casting, huh?
Yeah, just with black flames.
Yeah.
And is that a metal base?
It's not a metal.
What?
It's plastic.
Oh dang! I thought that was
Chrome interior. Cool. So far, so good.
Yeah, man. Let's see.
Oh damn! Look at that. Is that a Ford Fiesta or a Ford Focus? 4 Series.
Dude, I'm gonna look ahead.
Damn, this thing is clean, bro. What you doing, man?
Right.
4 Series. Highly detailed engines.
1 out of 4. It's a Ford Focus.
Oh, it's a Ford Focus. Damn, this thing is slammed.
No, I'm saying it's a Ford, like, Focus. Like, you got a Focus.
Alright, man. I'm focused. So, yeah, this was the 4 or what? Ford Focus, Tuner, Mercury Cougar, 65 Mustang, 67 Mustang.
Oh, it's cut out in the back, too?
Yeah, I hadn't. Have we ever seen such thing? Probably.
I think once, man.
I think
we were at a comic shop.
I don't remember, but I think either Johnny Lightning or the other guys, they are the ones who display the right side. Damn, this thing is nice, and it is a Hot Wheels, 100% Hot Wheels.
That's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so then we got 2.
Oh, see, this is what I'm telling you. One for you, one for me. Muscle Tone. Yeah, this is the one I was talking about. Muscle Tone. Kind of look like the Rapid Transit.
Yeah. I'm going to lay them out right here. Because I think there's 2 of every.
Take a look, man. Blue interior. Damn, this thing is really nice. 2000's first editions.
We don't have very many of those because we recently started collecting.
Yeah. We started about a year ago now. About a year ago.
You already went through these?
Yeah. Let's take a look, man. 2008 new models. 10 of 40. This is
what'd I tell you, dude?
Very nice, man. Man, why you ruining my experience over here?
Alright.
Born in 2007, birthplace El Segundo, designer Hot Wheels, specialty built for precise maneuvering. You can race down winding country roads or zigzag through rush hour traffic in the speedy sports bike. Damn, this thing is nice.
Oh man.
This thing is very detailed too. I don't know much about motorcycle, but this thing is nice. Damn, there is a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Here's a few
Alright, let me just
loose ones too. Alright, go with
spit
that
it
one.
up a little bit. This is a Fandango, man. We got a regular treasure on from this casting Fandango. Damn.
We don't have
Very
very many
nice.
blue cards, man. I'm like
Yeah, these are like from
super excited.
the old Chevy pickup. Damn, this is a 1500, huh? Chevy pickup.
What?
Very nice, man. I really like this one. Yellow. It's got like a roll cage. Very, very nice. Collector's number 101. The previous one didn't have that number. It just have the blue bubble.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I looked at it and it should have a number on it. So I don't know what happened there. But yeah, there you go. You guys have it. Chevy pickup. Damn, man. And take a look. Montezuma. Damn, this is a convertible.
You know, I had this one when I was like collecting when I was younger, man.
Damn, for real.
I never seen it until now, carded.
That's nice. Carded.
That's gonna go on the board, man.
Yeah.
Just look at the front of it.
Yeah, this thing is clean.
It looked like one of those crazy lowriders.
Yeah.
I remember getting it at like a Kmart back in the day.
Damn, this is like what does it say? MST Suzuka.
Some kind of... Oh, see? Kmart.
Yeah, back when they were 75 cents. This thing is nice. This is like a Celica lookalike. And you have 36 models.
Hey, man. I didn't catch this. These muscle tones have different wheels.
Oh, damn, that's true.
So
good catch.
It's like the same, but different. They're both 24 out of 38, but this one has different wheels.
That's true.
The cards are even pretty much the same.
Yeah, I think, I don't know, man. He might have sent us
A few surprises?
yeah, to test our eyes, because I catch that thing without the numbers. You know what I'm saying?
So it's not just, I'm going to be looking at all these cards, man.
Yeah, Honda's Pocket. Take a look. 8 out of 42. Damn, this thing is very nice. It's kind of weird. Like a truck, like a car, or a SUV.
You know what that makes me think? That there's something special about this one.
Yeah. Damn, this video is gonna be long if you keep talking like that. Treasure Hunt. Take a look. This is a Cone B Treasure Hunt or T Hunt. 6 of 12, 40, 1968. This is a 2008. And take a look. Go to Hot Wheels. Check out cool stuff. And it is translated. Very nice. Let's see what else, man. This is a 6-wheeler, man. This guy likes 6-wheelers. GMC Motorhome. Treasure Hunts. Damn, this was a treasure hunt too. Back when they didn't put rubber tires. But they just did they did put the TH. This thing is nice,
TH
man.
right there too. Look.
Yeah, it's got very nice. Nice light blue window tint.
Yeah, he sent 2 of them too, man.
Treasure hunting. They sent 2.
Yeah.
It's got treasure hunting on the back. Yeah, very nice. Anything you can spot?
No, not. Let me see. Nah, nothing different with these.
Hopefully.
Just 2.
If you guys see something that we didn't,
Put it
let
in
us
the comments,
know.
man.
Yeah, let us know, man. Take a look. Another treasure hunt, Gangster Green. Damn, this thing is very nice. It's like aerodynamic. 6 of 12.
And look, the TH.
Yeah, they changed it. This is does it say the year? I don't see it. But yeah.
The 2010 vehicles.
Yeah, this is Michigan, USA. Alright, let's see what else, man. Oh, damn, this is a Jet Threat 3.0. Very nice. Very nice right here. Let's see what else. We got a treasure hunt series. Vulture. Damn. Vulture. Treasure hunt. So I guess there was a series like of just treasure hunts. Very nice. Olds 442, 67 Dodge.
It says there was 12 in all.
Yeah. And they were also limited edition. Yeah. Damn, take a look at this one, man. This thing is very old school. Classic Packard.
It's also a treasure hunt, man.
Damn, look at those wheels on the card. This thing is like a very fancy car, man. It's got the TH right there, the spare.
That spare look clean.
Yeah, and this is a metal base. Damn. Thank you. Let's see what else we got. Oh man, this thing is nice. Those even look like real riders. They're not, and then the doors look like they would open. Damn, this thing is nice. The two-tone TH and white interior. Tampos on the back and tampos on the front.
I'm gonna check this one out.
Damn, this thing is clean, man. Studebaker Avanti.
Was this a real car? Yeah, huh?
Yeah, I bet. It's not a. This is a licensed car. And also, I think it's metal base.
Oh yeah, this one too.
Nice. And Pony Up. There was a treasure hunt for this one too. Pony Up. Very nice, man. I really like this color. And take a look at the stripe in the center. Very, very nice.